And for the record, I, in totality, associate myself with the submission of the Leader of Opposition. But Right Honourable Speaker, following your guidance, I wrote to the COW of Luweero District so that I can submit with the facts on this issue, preferably on 4 sectors: health, education, roads, and power. So for power, I can submit next week when the minister brings the report. But for health, with the facts, Luweero Hospital does not have an ICU, and this hospital is serving over 600 people in the district. Still with the information furnished to me by the DHO through the COW, we do not have a sewage management system. Number 3, the hospital is understaffed. Actually, it is 38% staffed, and this leaves a very big gap to address the concerns of patients. Lastly, which is very embarrassing, Right Honourable Speaker, when power goes off, this hospital doesn't have a backup system. So when power goes off, they can only light candles. On the second issue, which is roads, the roads in Katikam North constituency are in very bad state. For now, I can use 2 roads to give an example. The road from Chigavu to Chibula, the road from Ngogolo to Kansiri. Right Honourable Speaker, these roads have been bad during a dry season. I don't know what's going to happen when the rains start coming. And I think government has to respond very fast and address this issue. Second last is on education. We have 2 sub-counties, the sub-county of Tuntumula and Ruweero sub-county. We do not have any secondary government school or even government aided. And this makes education very difficult to our people. Lastly, Right Honourable Speaker, and this is a very important issue, Luweero District, being the mother district that brought the NRM into power, we do not have a legacy project. I hear the government is constructing Akiboa Stadium, Hoima Stadium, but in Luweero District we don't even have not only a stadium but even a market, because these markets are located to municipalities. And I think it should be in a consideration of government to at least give us a legacy project because we lost a lot during the liberation struggle. Thank you very much. I submit, Mr. Speaker.
Thank you. Now, honourable colleagues, from Honourable Ssekabira's presentation, I've had a very good strategy. Writing to the COW, okay? And the COW gives you the status. The status of your district, how you are doing, it becomes much easier. Thank you for that, and I would urge colleagues to always cross-check with their cows. So, Honourable Pachuto, Honourable Rogers, Piamukama, Honourable Nakut Face, Honourable Robin Arwakojo.
Thank you, Right Honourable Speaker, for giving me opportunity. Right Honourable Speaker,